everybody, welcome to this best practices session focused on smart data workflows. I'm here once again with Benjamin Henry, Field CTO at Komprise. And in this series, we've been going through everything from what are smart data workflows to working with our regex scanner, working with external scanners. And today we're going to cover powering better AI outcomes, introducing Komprise Intelligent AI Ingest. So Ben, tell us about what's new and what you're going to show us today.
Yeah, I'm really excited for this feature. So everything leading up to this has been talking about getting your data ready. What can I do to sanitize my data? What can I do to make sure my data is safe for AI? So now the next step is getting your data into that model, getting your data to an area where the model can ingest everything that you want to train it with. And as the slide says right here, turn unstructured data noise into AI ROI. So with that, let's jump right into a demo. All right, so here we are starting with deep analytics. I've pre-created a couple queries, but let's talk about my original data set. I'm going to create a new query, and I'm going to come over here and just look at my share. So I'm going to choose that share, and I'm going to hit run. In this share, I have 48 files. So what I've done is I've already run content scanning on this data and ruled data in or ruled data out based on specific criteria, which goes back to our earlier videos. So not all of this data is safe for AI ingestion. So let me go back out of here, my all queries, say leave. And what I've done through those workflows is I've tagged my data as such. Well, I've created a key called AI training value equals yes. Now I'm down to 25 files that are eligible to train my AI model. Well, let's do it. Let's go over to workflows. I'm going to press add workflow. And from here, I'm going to choose copy for ingestion. Now I'm going to choose my destination as Amazon S3, and I'm going to go ahead and copy in some of the criteria that I have saved off to the side. All right, so now I have all my credentials in here. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. All right, from here, I'm going to choose my source. Again, I could choose the storage, but I don't want to. I want to use the tags to say that my data is safe for AI. Right here, SDW data for AI. I'm going to choose that query. I get a preview of the tag that it's using. I'm going to choose next. I'm going to give my workflow a name. I'm going to say start this automatically. I'm going to run this one time. I get a preview of everything. And now I'm going to hit start workflow. All right. We can open up the details of this workflow and I get a preview of what it's working on. In the amount of time that it took me to actually click on the job, my job is already done. I've copied those 25 files. So what does that actually look like behind the scenes? Well, let me bring over an object browser here and I'll show you. All right, so let me bring over an object browser. And in here, I can see my STW folder that I told it to create. And inside there, I can see my spreadsheets as well as my text files. All right, so that data is now in S3, ready for my AI model to ingest and be trained. So Darren, I'll turn it back over to you.
That was great. So overview of essentially running workflows to make sure you find and potentially confine sensitive data, and then feeding only the right data into your AI service, which you did in this demonstration. Thanks for taking us through this today, Ben. Look forward to our next conversation.